besties, I wanted to give a quick congratulations to the last giveaway winner of the Amaya wig. Congratulations, girl. Hope you enjoy your wig. And so let's jump into the next review. And this is from Model 5-inch lace part wig, Esther. And this wig is like a bob. This wig does come with a nice little parting space so that you could pluck it even more if you wanted to. But I like to add foundation to it because I'm lazy like that. But you could pluck it and add foundation to it. But I like to do the bare minimum. So yeah, I'm like feeling myself in this wig. It is so cute. The unit is very silky. I must say though, it is on the thin side. But I was like really feeling it. It is so cute. Until I turned around. Tracks on tracks on tracks. Hell no. It's a pretty cute wig, but not for me. I'm going to place all information down below in case anybody's interested. And I will catch you guys in my next one.